Hi, I'm Ross from Smith Property Accountants in Hamilton. I'm going to give you 4 quick reasons why you should be on Xero if you're a property investor. So reason number 1, I'm going to share my Xero screen. And the first one is Xero makes your life easy. So you might hate doing your annual accounts and you might find it a lot of time and really time consuming doing it. So Xero can make it easy. So say we need to code our month's transactions. What comes up in Xero is we need to reconcile. So we click on there. I quite like cash coding. And it gives you the transactions for the month. So you might have some rates, you might have some rent coming in from a property management firm, some painting and some interest. We can memorize common transactions. So we can set up so we can memorize the rates, the rent and the interest. And all we need to do is look at the repairs. So we put it to repairs and maintenance for painting. We choose which property it's for, High Road, and we're done. So that's how hard it can be to keep your accounting up to date if you're set up as a property investor on Xero. Second one is there's some awesome reports. So say we run profit and loss. We can see what's the income for the month, what's the expenses, what's the profit. And we can see that common format the other months. One of the my third real good reason, and I'll go through these reports a little bit more. My third great reason is you can actually click within and see what makes up the repairs. So we can see that there's $330 for handyman repair. And we can actually attach the PDF or the invoice to it. So we can actually look up that invoice and see exactly what it's for. And that actually saves you having to keep the invoices as well. So rather than having a big folder that you're keeping for 7 years, you can just bring it up. And there, yeah, that's my simple invoice I've created for that transaction. But yeah, it's really easy. When we come to do your accounts, we can see the invoices if they're there. We can then look and see what it is, which is fantastic. Going back a little bit more on the reports, we can run a report, compare properties, so we can see what each property is doing, what the income is, what the repairs are, for example, what the profit or loss is, and how each of them are performing. Yeah, we might be able to see things like where's the insurance, and it might just be a timing thing. It might be paid annually, for example. Even better yet, we can then run a budget. So say we do High Road budget, compare it to High Road. So High Road figures compared with High Road budget. We can then do a great report of seeing how it's going. So how much rent has come in, how much budget, so whether we're ahead or behind, and the same with all the expenses. You can do that for year to date or any period that you want to. So we could easily change that to a bigger period. So yeah, those are basically my first 3 things of why you should go to Xero. 1, it saves you a whole lot of time and makes your life easier. 2, awesome reports so that you can see what your profit and loss is. You can see, put a budget in and compare to budget. Number 3, you can actually attach your PDFs, so saves you having to keep files and files of information, and you can actually find it again by just clicking on the information. And my last one is it's actually cheaper for you to do through Xero. So yeah, we actually do your accounts cheaper and easier if you're on Xero, because it saves us time and hassle. So that's another great reason to go on Xero. If you are looking at putting your rental accounts onto Xero, give us a quick email, ross@cswaikato.co.nz, and we can help you organise it. And yeah, we generally put you on a monthly fee where we set it up for you. We do the memorizations and things, and the fee includes, our monthly fee includes the Xero subscription as well. So there's no extra cost to you. Thank you very much, and hopefully you really enjoy that. Cheers.